Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. To flex its muscle, the Bharatiya Janata Party orchestrated a bike rally and mass gathering at Kokrajhar Green Field, marking a significant step in their pre-election mobilization efforts. The BJP has strategically chosen this venue, the field being at the heart of BTC headquarters. Key figures in the BJP leadership, including Ministers Piyush Hazarika and Jayantamalla Borua, led the bike rally that passed through the town. The gathering was joined by District President Kavita Basmatari, MLA BJ Malakar and several district Mandal booth officials, EMs and MCLAs. With the political climate heating up in the region, the mass gathering is poised to be a turning point in the BJP's campaign strategy. That's all for now. Stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.